Hi everyone, my name is Matthew, also known as the Dropship Dropouts on YouTube. And for more info on how to succeed on Shopify for free, go ahead and hit that link below to my YouTube channel. Now today I'm going to be showing you guys how to take advantage of the most powerful Shopify tool on the internet right now. And that of course is Seller Pulse. And the reason we're making this video is because there are so many powerful ways to take advantage of Seller Pulse. And in this video, we just want to make sure that you're getting the absolute most of this incredible program because there are so many features about it. So let's jump into it and let's see why this is such a great tool. First and foremost, we have the database search. And this is going to allow us to get all the info from AliExpress, pull a bunch of products out of AliExpress and give us the most valuable info. Right here, we have a bunch of different things that we can take advantage of. So we can choose the categories that we want to take products from on AliExpress. We can hit this button right here to just choose everything or to unchoose everything and choose maybe one or two. So for this one, for example, let's get rid of automobiles, furniture, luggage, shoes, and men's clothing, and hair extensions and wigs. Seller Pulse is also going to give us info on specific products, right? So we have these 4 buttons to get us more info. So if you have a specific product that you want to get info on, you can just post that URL right here and Seller Pulse will get you that product. Also, we can choose keywords. So for example, if we're in a product niche like pets or dogs, what we can do here is just type in dogs. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow us to go through every single category, but only getting products that have the keywords dogs or pets in them. Here we can choose the maximum price of the product. Now, for example, if we want to find a product that is a high ticket item that's maybe over $35, we can put that in like this, $35. Or maybe we can choose a product that we want to do for free plus shipping. So we might do $1 here as the maximum. So we can make some money on the shipping part. Next, we have feedback to choose. And I like to put 50 as my minimum here. And the reason I like to do that is because when we're selling products, we want to make sure that we're selling quality products to our customers. One, to make our customers happy and to make them come back to our stores because repeat customers are always very profitable. And number 2 is because chargebacks are very expensive and they really do punish your account on Shopify. So make sure that you do have that feedback and make sure that you're reading that feedback for yourself. Next, we can choose the number of orders, and this is going to be the next 3 parameters that I'm going to show you are going to be the really powerful parts about Seller Pulse that really make that big difference. So here we can choose the minimum and the maximum amount of orders a product has on AliExpress. And that's going to be for all time. Now, what takes this to the next level is this box right here. Now, this allows us to control the amount of orders that this product has gone over the last 3 days. So if I put 100 in here, what we're going to do is divide 100 by 3, and that's going to be the average amount of orders that the products that we're being shown has had in the last 3 days. So in this case, it's going to be 33.333 orders over the last 3 days. But that can also be 50, 0, and 50 orders, right? So you just got to take that into account. It's not necessarily going to be 33, but it's going to be an average of 33. We can also slide this here, get it to 7, get it to 15. And again, the only difference is going to be what you're dividing the minimum number of orders by. And below this box, we have a video only section. And what this is going to do is pull products with only videos. So let's check that one off because we want to find some great videos for our Facebook ads. Now that we have all of our parameters ready to go, we can go ahead and hit that search button. All right, guys, so once you've actually hit that search button and all your search inquiries come up, what we have is a few options here. So the first one is going to be adding it to our product watch list. Now this is going to allow us to track the product, go back to it, you get lost, but this is going to be a really easy way of finding products that you found before. So hit that button there and it's going to move right to your product watch list and you can go back to it anytime. Next, we have our historical graphs, which show us the price, the feedback, and the orders. So as you can see, this product has gone through a couple price spikes in the past couple months. It went up to $3 and then it went back to around $1. We can also check out the feedback, how the feedback's been going up every day. So this is on a pretty steady incline here, which is good news for us. And finally, we can check out the orders. And again, that's also good news for us. So they're getting, a decent amount of orders every day. And here we actually even see kind of an exponential climb. We can also hit on this button here, which is going to show us the actual data in a table. So we can see how many orders they're getting. So 13, whatever. And then as we go down here, we can see how it started exploding, this product. It really did explode in the last couple months. So, about 60 orders here. Almost 200 orders there. So very, very profitable product, doing very well. Now, we can also just go ahead and hit this button here, which is just going to take us to the AliExpress page. Now here we can take a look at their feedback, take a look at their orders, look at their pricing, see the variants that they're offering, and kind of get some more info on this product. Look at the images, kind of get an idea of what we're selling. look at their description, and look at their video. So that's obviously makes things a lot easier for us. And we can obviously just add that through Oberlo right away from this page. Now, next we have this button right here. And this is what this is going to do is find us all the Shopify stores that are selling this product and all the other AliExpress vendors that are selling this product, just so we can compare products. So let's click it. All right, so this product here did not have any Shopify stores that SellerPulse was able to find, but we see some WordPress stores that we can go ahead and click on and just take a look at their product descriptions and go with that. You know, have an idea, get inspired by their ad copy, and we can even do product research this way. We can go to their Facebook page, and I show that stuff on my YouTube channel. So let's close this and try to find one more example. All right, so the next product down right here, right, we see a couple of Shopify stores that are selling it, but it's actually the same one. So let's go click here and see what this product is specifically. So this is a nice Shopify store. And again, this is going to give us an idea of how to show this product, how other Shopify stores are positioning it. So this is a nice store. Definitely not what you expect from a regular Shopify store, but as you can see, here's the description right here. They're selling it at $13.79 USD. And we can go back here, close this, and just kind of get an idea of how much of a markup we can get. So that's about a 3 times or a 4 times markup. And they might be charging for shipping as well. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for the product database. Then we have the product watch list, and here you actually get one additional feature, and it's going to be this button right here. Once you click it, you can see where the majority of orders are coming from. So here we can see 45% are coming from Russia, then Ukraine, then the US. So that's a useful feature if you want to know where to target this product. And then here is just going to be the video that was pulled from AliExpress, and you can get that without going to AliExpress. Otherwise, you can just click on this button and click on that video. Now, the next part here is going to be the targeted search, which is broken down into search by category, search by country, opportunity by country, and by dropshippers. So first is going to be search by country. And what this is going to allow us to do is find products that are being sold and that are highest selling in certain countries. So here I have the US. And so once we click search, it's already done here. What we can do is find products that are hot selling in the United States. So if I click this button right here, we see 92% of sales are coming from the US. So if you're a store that focuses its advertising on the US, you have a strong US audience, this will be a very, very powerful tool for you. Next, we have opportunity by country. Now this is going to do the opposite. It's going to find us products that aren't selling in a certain country. So again, we have the US with the exact same search parameters. And if I click this button here, we see it's doing well in Russia, it's doing well in Italy and the rest of Europe. However, it's not really exposed to the US market. Now, this is a Huawei case, and in general, in North America, Huawei isn't a very popular phone brand. It's going to be much more Samsung and much more iPhone, so that could be a reason. But if we look at the next product down, we see a universal vacuum, and this product, it doesn't matter where you are culturally, right? It doesn't matter about your culture, it doesn't matter about your country, everybody uses vacuum cleaners. So if we click this here, we can see that the majority of the orders are actually coming from France, and France and the US have a similar culture, very Western, so we can go ahead and take that product and advertise it to US audiences now. And now we're basically the only advertisers showing this to US people, and that's going to give us an advantage there. So this is also a very powerful tool. And finally, we have buy dropshippers. So what we can do here is click on this button. So this is the newest button, as you can see. I've talked about all these other ones. When we click this, what we're going to be able to see is all the people who are making orders above 5. So people who are ordering more than 5 units from a certain manufacturer. Now, this isn't always guaranteed, but for the most part, we can take a chance and believe that these people are actually dropshippers. So for example, this person from France buying 25 of them, right? Definitely could be a dropshipper. This person from Switzerland buying 5. So this is going to give us a good idea that this product is being sold in a couple of units at a time, which means that it's most likely coming from dropshippers. And you don't have to look at the country, because this is the country of the dropshipper, and dropshipping can be done from any country, and that's the beauty of it. Anyway, guys, that is exactly how to use SellerPulse. That's all the features you have. If you ever have any problems, you want to watch this video again, go ahead and click on the tutorial where you can get this one and a bunch of other tutorials helping you with SellerPulse. Otherwise, guys, my name's Matthew from the YouTube channel DropShip Dropouts. You can click the link below. Make sure to go ahead and sign up for SellerPulse, because it'll explode your Shopify channel. Otherwise, guys, that's the end of this tutorial. I hope it helps, and I hope you see the huge value of getting SellerPulse. And I'll see you guys later. Peace.